Hi, this is the 3D printing lawyer. Today we're going to be designing a photo back sweep like this one. This photo is from BH Photo Video. We need one because someone wants to start posting things on Etsy. We've been making do with a white piece of paper draped over some drawers. So this is what we're doing today. It's going to be pretty simple. So in Fusion 360, I'm going to start with a sketch as I usually do. Create sketch, draw it on the XZ plane. Then I want to use up most of my build plate, and I have a bamboo. So it's going to be 256 by 256. I'm going to make this 250 millimeters. So I'm typing 250, pressing tab, 250. Pressing enter, so there's my square. And if we look back at the picture, this is the path that the back and floor take, which is basically like a rounded rectangle right here. So we're going to draw that path. Basically, the simplest way to do that is going to be to grab these two sides and then offset it. It looks about right. Let me change this to an even number though, 28 millimeters. And then we covered this tool in my last video. It's the fillet tool for 2D shapes. So that's the sweep path that our background is going to take. I'm going to finish the sketch, create another sketch. I'm going to hold Shift and drag the middle mouse button so we get a different perspective. Select the Y and Z plane. I'm holding the middle mouse button here to pan, dragging the paper down. I'm going to draw another rectangle of 250 by 250. All right, so this is basically going to be our back wall and our floor. So we want to add a little thickness here and a little thickness here. I'm going to zoom in by scrolling with the middle mouse button and dragging with my middle mouse button. I'm going to just draw a construction line right here of 2 millimeters. And I'm zooming out and dragging again. I want to draw a construction line here of 2 millimeters. All right, I'm going to turn off construction lines. Now we actually want to draw that curve. We've been doing the 3-point arc a lot. We're not going to do that this time because the rho value of that is not steep enough. So what we're going to use is the conic curve. We'll click on 2 millimeters from the back and then 2 millimeters from the bottom. And then I'm going to click right here. And then press enter, and that's our back and floor. So I'm rotating again with the Shift middle mouse button. Now we're going to finish our sketch. Go to the solid tools and we're going to do a sweep. So create sweep. For the profile, we're going to select this. And then for the path, we're going to select this line. And press OK. And there's our photo backdrop sweep.